Hi everybody, I am going to transplant my elephant ear. Over here, this is the mother elephant ear and it looks like she has a little pup, so I'm going to transplant this little pup into the second pot, and then I'm going to pot both of them up with these beautiful hydrangea. These are the mop head hydrangeas. I have a lot of the panicle one that's in the ground, but these are the mop head. So aren't they beautiful? Look at how big they are. Beautiful classic hydrangea. I don't know the variety. I got it at a nursery. The label on this one, there was none. And then on this one, it just has Bavaria. That's it. But the flower on this one was really beautiful. A variegated mop head, same as this, big as this, but just it had two-tone. So kind of like if you look at this one, I think there was an outer layer tone on it. So it was beautiful when it was in bloom, but it is no longer blooming. These ones usually grow on old growth, old wood. So you can see on here, like this flower right here is growing on this wood that was from previous year. So the new wood usually doesn't have any flower on it until next year. So that's usually how the mop head work, unless you get the new variety which grows on new and old wood. But most of the time they're not as spectacular. At least I don't feel like it. Like their mop head is not as spectacular as the old variety. So I'm going to plant it in here. The elephant doesn't like a lot of sunlight. These hydrangeas don't like any sunlight at all. They just like, they like to be in the shade. They want no direct sunlight. So that's why I was thinking, you know, these combination would be great. I'm also contemplating putting my Persian shield plant. They don't like any sun either, as I've come to find out. So I might put that in there, but they grow pretty big, and as you can see, these hydrangeas are really big, and the elephant ear is even bigger. So I'm not sure if this pot really is gonna be the size for them, but I tend to like to overfill them than underfill them. So yeah, let's get started. Gonna dig this out. I want to tell you this is probably what it looks like when it has too much sunlight. I left it out in the sun because it rained one day, left it out in the sun the next day, and it literally scorched the leaves. So these leaves are the healthy ones, you can see. But yeah, let's get started. All right, everybody. That was a workout. So this is what the 2-pot looks like. They're going to be in the shade. Just getting, basically, they're going to not get any direct sunlight whatsoever. So I think they will be happy and content in this pot. I have, of course, the 2 elephant. That's the bigger one. There's the little one. This little one looks a little bit puny on this side, but it has the potential to grow as big as the mother plant over there, so I'm not too worried. I was able to fit one, the Persian shield, but this flower over here you can see is directly in its way. So once it's done blooming and everything, I'll probably cut it off, cut this leaf off so that the Persian shield has a chance to grow. I'm contemplating about sticking another one over here in this corner, but I might stick something else over here. And same with over here. Basically the elephant, the Persian shield, and then the hydrangea. I propagated a couple of coleus over here. I'm thinking they're pretty small, but as you know, coleus grows really fast, so I might put one over here just to give you that extra pop. And then one also over here in this corner. But this is going to make these 2 pots extremely full. So yeah, so that's what it looks like. That's the project for today, along with, I've been out in the garden all day today, so pretty hot and sweaty. Had to change, as you can see, into a new outfit so I can make this video so I don't look so dirty and grungy. But as you can see, I'm even looking dirty and grungy in the new outfit. So you definitely, everybody who garden in the South, 7B and up with the humidity, understand my pain and suffering with the humidity and the heat wave we're experiencing right now. So you literally sweat as soon as you step outside, and then basically throughout the day you sweat, you cool off when you go inside, and then you come back outside and you sweat again. So that's the nature of the summers in the South. But you know what? I can't complain. We have almost 10 months out of the year where we can grow things. So that's pretty fabulous to have 10 months out of the year growing and having flowers and fruits and vegetables. So, you know, you get the good and the bad with it. So I'm willing to take on the humidity and the heat in order to have the flowers pretty much all year round. Yeah, so anyways, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Take care, everybody. Bye.